What's up guys, it's another Thursday and today on our company logos redesigning series we have this Apple logo. So as usual we are going to redesign this Apple logo inside Adobe Illustrator in just a few minutes, one step at a time. So let's go and see. First of all, inside Adobe Illustrator I'm going to start by drawing the circle, which is the base shape of the Apple logo from my point of view. So from the tools bar here I'm going to select the ellipse tool and I draw a simple circle just like this one, move it somewhere here, and I'm going to copy and paste the same circle in front. So I hit Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy and paste it in front. As you can see now here in our layers we have made a copy of the same ellipse. So I drag the upper circle to this point over here just like this one, and I want to join here everything to be as a single path, to make one path. So I'm going to use a shape builder tool for this one. So in my tools here I'll select here the shape builder tool and I want to join here everything. So I just join them by dragging just like this one. As you can see now we have made a single path. So after having it like this one, now I'm going to select the dialect selection tool over here. So I'll click the dialect selection tool, and with this dialect selection tool selected like this one, I'm going to select now these 3 points here below. So I'll drag from this side on this side below to select the 3 anchor points below our path. So after selecting this one, I'm going to click the down arrow in order to move these 3 anchor points down. So I'll be clicking to move them down, 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 just like this one somewhere there. And now having it like that one, now I'm going to select this 1 point here, and before doing anything here I want first to convert it. I'm going to convert this point to smooth by selecting this one over here, and now I want to move it upward a little bit. So I'll click just like that one. I'm going to do the same for this anchor point here below. So I'll click this one again, and before doing anything I'll convert it to smooth like that one, and I want to make it like that one. So and now I'm going to draw another circle over here. So I'll click to select the circle and I hold shift and alt again to draw the circle just like this one. And now I'm going to make 3 copies of this circle. So I'm going to hit Ctrl C and Ctrl F to make the first copy, and Ctrl C and Ctrl F to make the second copy. As you can see now here in our layers we've made 3 circles over here. So after having them like this one, I'm going to drag the first circle to this position over here, and these two I'm going to rearrange them like this one. And now I select everything and I want to use the shape builder tool in order to delete this side and this one to leave here the center. So I'll click here the shape builder tool and I click alt to delete this one and delete this one too, and I'll leave this one at the center to be used as maybe a leaf for our logo here. So this one I'm going to put it here. So I rotate it just like this one and put it somewhere here. So now we have remained with this side over here. So now I'll just select here everything and I'll click now here the shape builder tool, and with this shape builder tool selected I'm going to just hold here alt and click to delete this side, this circle over here, and boom, you can tweak it however you want. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if it is like that, give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for more content like this one. I create weekly content every Thursday, and I hope to see you next Thursday. So keep creating, keep making stuffs, keep pushing your limits, and most of all, have fun of it. Bless.